Legacy Parks tasked our team with restoring a historic Springhouse located in the Baker Preserve in South Knoxville, Tennessee. While we were trying to restore the urban infrastructure to be aesthetically pleasing to the area and also historically accurate, we decided that there was no point in rebuilding the Springhouse with its old function, and instead decided to update it with a new function to filter stormwater and keep the spring water that's coming out of the spring box clean before it enters Baker Creek.
So for this project, the engineering design task can be broken down into 3 sections. The first one was designing a stormwater catchment system in the existing primary channel that filters stormwater runoff coming into the system so that it is clean before discharging into the local creek. The second was designing a new channel to contain the spring water that's coming from the spring box, and this water is currently uncontained and flowing underneath the foundation. So by designing a pipe and channel system, this contains the clean water before it can also be discharged into the creek. The third engineering design task performed for this was the structural rehabilitation, and the foundation is currently broken, and we decided that it needed to be structurally renovated to remain safe and aesthetically pleasing for park goers.
One of our main challenges was improving the infrastructure while retaining some of the historical value of the site. One of the positive outcomes is improving the aesthetic of the surrounding environment of a social hub.
This course taught me how to work with a client in a meaningful way and how to balance client expectations while also defending personal design choices.
I personally think that one of the biggest positive outcomes that this course had on me was that I realized that even for a small design project such as this, there's so many factors that go into completing the project. There's so many things that you don't think about on the front end that have to be addressed. And so taking this course allowed me to understand fully how much work has to go into even a small design project.
One of my personal positive outcomes is that I got to experience real construction management before entering the workforce.
Senior design taught me how to manage my time effectively and how to not underestimate a project no matter what its size. Even a small project can take a lot of time and effort to get right, and sometimes the smaller the project, the higher the quality needed.
I think that's one of the biggest advantages this class gives to undergraduates is that you have a lot of these abstract concepts that you learn in class but without application, and this course finally gives you the chance to apply those.
In CE 400, I learned the importance of communication not only within our group but with our client and our mentor.